Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. It's early morning over, but it's not that much early. Yeah, everybody has just gone. Only Claude has been left over here. We're doing some stuffs and had to take a shower. Then I wanna rush somewhere. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video is a super special video, guys. I'm shooting this video from my beautiful home here in Kenya, Africa, to be specific. Sibania Nyabanse village over here in Kenya, Africa. So it's time to go to the land. Today my wife was like, she has been let me say a notorious farmer, you know. I wanna say my wife has been a notorious farmer, but those days back, let me give you a small story. Those days back, she used to see me going to the shamba, and she was like, what are you doing? What is that making you very, very much busy every day? So these days she has shifted to farming like never before, you know. So let me rush there. She has been calling me because I want to take some seedlings. I'll be heading to the border town to take some seedlings. Then I'll be heading to the Dreamland here. Oh my god. Hey, Sude, you are here, Sude. Yeah, so everyone has gone to the shamba except Claude. So I want to rush there and see some other stuff. Just putting on this. Hey, Sude, how are you? Sude, how are you? So the car that was here taking it, I was having some visitors. There's some visitors that were with me here. So yeah, I have to make them run. And, a lot of stuff that has been undergoing. So let me take the what we call like so it was a very busy day. Hey, yeah, so just tried some goats there. Now it's a rush to the border town to go buy some more seedlings because she went to the shamba with around 4 packets of seedlings, and now she called me to go add one, so I have to rush there right now. See you at the border town. At the same time, see you also at our Dreamland. Okay, see you. So guys, I'm heading to the border town to go have our one packet of maize also for the top up. You know, actually, I got demoralized actually by these heavy rains. They destroyed our crops. Now my wife has been like, oh man, let me just take this. So even you seeing me going this time to the shamba, so because that I'm lazy, no, I felt very bad. So yeah, so my back, so she's having my back. That's why she's sending me, telling me go and bring this stuff. Okay, see you there at the border town, guys. Sirari border, guys. Sirari border, our border town. Oh, there is a land far away, and this land is a suburb. Somebody is just trying to. So, also have some what we call like beans. Put them down here. And let me show you something else over here. That what we have been working for. Around here, we have been. Oh my God, the light is on. So right here, we have been working on, and this is the good, what we call like results, as you see, after the disaster. We give thanks also to God, to Almighty God, for the blessings that our maize has come out. Maize plus beans have come out very, very, very well, and wow man, also beans have been shooting out like no man's land. Look at those cranes. Hey, those are cranes. This is the national symbol in Uganda. So in Uganda, if you try to make a mistake of killing these cranes, they are called cranes, crane birds. If you make a mistake of killing one crane, you'll be in jail for almost 30 years in Uganda. So in Uganda, those are the national symbols. They are actually on the flag, you know. So if you see a crane like this one, you have to salute to it. You make a very big salute. You stand up and you salute for the cranes. And one thing I love about these cranes is that you see they are picking some snakes. You know, if you see a snake, if these ones are around your land, there will be no snakes around. Look, wow, 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 wow. They are gone, they are gone, they are gone. Actually say that those cranes, when they're actually on your land, when they're on your land, there will be no any snakes around. Snakes, lizards, something like that. They cannot make a mistake of coming, because those cranes swallow the snakes, swallow the lizards, and also they are picking the remains of maize. They are picking the remains of maize, remains of other grains around here. So this one, hey, we are really much grateful. There are some places where maize are not coming out clearly, but beans, beans has come out very nicely. So we have to start doing what you call like spraying some beans chemicals that will help us to make these beans grow well, because you know these are yellow beans. They're not the normal beans, or we call them French beans. These are yellow beans, you know. They are really very critical. Hey, this guy here and here, he made a very big gap. Huh? This other side shows that maize didn't make it well, but they are still growing. They are still growing. They are still coming out. But beans, hey, beans are coming out like no man's business. You know, there's also a school here. The neighboring area is very nice. So, just sharing with you on our Dreamland what we are having. We leased this land, and yeah, we haven't bought this land. This land we leased it, and just a friend of us, and we are doing what we call like agriculture. I cannot say that we bought this land or we leased. Just a friend of ours just gave it to us, and we are doing a very great agriculture around. This is what you are seeing. They are in straight lines, you know. So when maize are in straight lines like this, they really aids you. They help you even for those who are doing what you call like weeding, to weed well, you know. But when you plant them shagala bagala, hey, things will not be okay. So that's why you see even down here, they are doing what we call like they're also doing what we call like sowing. So that's the good you see, you know. Actually, personally, I was like, no man, I'm tired of doing this, because the heavy rains destroyed my kales on the other side of the land. They even took away they washed away all my beetroots that we planted. So right now, I think the beetroots are doing what you call like are growing on inside the river, on other people's land. So it actually demoralized me, and I felt like, man, I cannot do this anymore. But my wife was like, man, let's wake up, let's keep pushing, because if you don't do it, you'll still be there and start complaining. So that's why you see she put some guys over here, and they are really working very, very, very hard and sowing some maize. Yeah, but I'm very, very much happy and everything that is going on. So let me wait for her, and we wanna see what's happening actually all the way. Kama ingine hapo Juma ni kama yamekopoka. Kama kwa nduko mbele yamekopoka kweli kweli. Sijui tutafanya aje jote nini? Tutaka kopole. Chenye tabaki. Tutaona kata ya acho ya kopole. So guys, this is what you're seeing. Somebody is calling me. Yeah, so what we are doing here, trying to do what we call like the good sower. So I'm having my heavy jembe over here, and that's what you are seeing, what we are doing here. So let me do what you call like we are covering now the seeds, and that's what you see what's happening. So we have to put a good soil on them. Let me show you what's happening over here as a good sower. Slowly. Also here, so you see there's some seedlings in here. So those are beans, yellow beans and maize. My wife loves yellow beans. My wife loves yellow beans so much, and you know also yellow beans are very much expensive over here. So she preferred to buy them and put them over here. Hopefully the disaster won't come again and destroy our stuffs, you know.
Panapaliziwa pakisha, unapaliziwa kisha sakora ukiye unaenda.
Mnaanzia wapi? Hata venye bwana wanga mwingo tena mwakangi. Unaona mwingo toko batiki. Ndio tumanya ticha. Anaweka mai chai yako ili.
Jobbing guys. So you're doing what you call like funikaring.
Kundikiria. Kundikiria ring.
Funikaring. Yale kwenye miba, kwenye mawe, kwenye udongo mzuri yatamea. So do this until you go.
Hawisha hapa hii. Sema maragumu.
Hapo kuna jiwe. Hapo kuna dhahabu hapo. Hapo kuna dhahabu hapo. Choronga uone. Kuna mstari hapo je kwa maharage. How?
Analima.
Wisa kuigekera hau ti bono. Ono umefukua mahindi bana. Hapo ulipo lima. Hilo ni wewe sasa unafunika. Acha wewe mstari unafukua mahindi bana. Ona hapa hivi mstari kuna mstari hapa. Na mahindi usiwekea udongo vile unawekea hivyo hayataota. Udongo kidogo kidogo. Tore kero. Tore bona kero ne mbebe ukundikiri.
We go. Yeah, guys, in 3 months, you'll be seeing magic here.
Kuna maza kamusha ambalo zeke hivyo kauki. Sio wale wenye wakiona kamera na kwanza alikuwa anasomea kijana, msifanye TikTok na nguo za shule. Mwambie aseme TikTok usikie. Kutoka. Saona. Nimecheka kumbe nimegusa. Rotate. Ona utakutana meno kwa hivi. Utakutana meno kwa hii video. Sura ingine kubwa. Gani? Kubwa wichi. Kundikia hano.
This is like how many hectares? Let me see, 100, 101 acres.
Hapa. Kama this side hii.
2 acres and a half.
Natokoga. Nisemi moge. Mutondo ikemo.
Today when we're doing what we call like weeding, it's very hectic, but we are trying. So
inafaa tu kuwai kama haya. Fanya janze kupaliliwa.
It's 2 acres.
Kwani shamba imeanzia pale juu?
So up to this side it's like 4 acres, right? No. 5 acres. Mimi ndio nasimamia. Angeenda na shilingi milioni 50 from 50. Wanasimama simama kwa kazi. Mwenye angeenda nyumbani. But that's how you see. No machines but it has. Vitaka mwenye hayuko rake aliko. The only machine is this. Ona hata bibi hakuna maharagwe. Hata venye baona kinongeteki. Ana amigo tenemos
oh.
Igari bikone nsare ngima.
Ensara moja na 24.
Yabu. Aburu sindire. Ikapasa pamurete. Nta akora bukangongo.
Nine. 8.
Yeah, so guys, we are done, and that's how you see the land or the farm. Oh my god, the happy. Hey, happy master. Happy master.
Hello,
Hi.
guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Oh my God, I'm tired. I woke up at 5 a.m. in the morning, and I was here by around 6:30 because I had to prepare kids to go to school. And yeah, we managed to finish finally, and now we're heading home, and we're happy that at least one phase is done.
Okay. Hey guys, look at this. Hey, yeah. Shug him. But you must look that you were not on the farm.
Look.
Again.
Yes.
Shug him.
Sugar.
Even my sport shoes easy.
You see? Hey guys, this
You know
is
me,
Mogen.
I can't put on this.
It says it's
I have a very big.
There's no gambut that
Okay,
fits
try
him.
this.
Put
This.
this.
Yes. Oh my God.
Look
Yeah,
how
they
it's
fit
swelling.
him.
Look how it's swelling.
It's fitting.
No, but I can't work with it.
He has huge, humongous legs.
Yeah.
Hey,
He was number 44.
This 44, 45, around 45.
introduce yourself, Mogen.
Yeah. Once again, this is Mogen 254 right here. You know, see guys, when you see me available, any place,
when he's here,
you know it is energy,
like
energy.
a lot of energy.
Yeah. So guys, you wake up very early in the morning.
Yeah. And I'm so grateful that
I
you
was
came.
eating banana.
I'm so
So
grateful.
you are like planting maize. So in the next three months, I'll be coming and one for bunny
One for
is
roasting.
roasting. Yes. Stomach.
Yeah, guys, that's what you see around.
Yeah.
With me, I'm very, very much grateful we are here, and it's a very huge land. It's like 4 acres from the other one that you saw, but has really done what we call like germinated.
Yeah.
Already it has germinated, which is a very, very good sign of growth. And yeah, we have this also, and from here I'll be taking you to our Dreamland. I want to show you our beetroot, how they were washed.
Oh,
I think
they were washed away.
yeah, they were
I think
washed
I need
away.
to go and see that.
Yeah, but yeah, congratulations, kura vitano. Yeah,
for being a hardworking what?
Yeah, kura vitano, hardworking wife. Kura vitano again.
Hardworking? Babe.
Support and partner in crime.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also thank you Mogendi for helping.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It's amazing. It's an amazing
All right,
brother.
man. Guys, so this is what you see around, and now we are heading home. There are people waiting us to be. They are waiting us to be paid. Yeah, so
Taken home.
see you home, and also land nearby here being sold. There is a road right there, but this land goes deep down to the river. Yeah, another land that is being sold here, but they're kinda yeah, you can come and talk to them. So if you want them to talk to Freddy, I am Mahiri is the owner of this side. There's a view. We have Priskasagati right there. We have Gati Africa right there. So yeah, they're just near here. Let me show you. Priskasagati is home. You see the black yeah, this black one, that's Priskasagati, and Gati Africa is just that there. So right here, there's land over here. It's marketing any land, but let me take you to our Dreamland, and you wanna see what's happening over there, okay? All right, see you there. So on this zone, guys, I'm from the Shamba, and now I'm heading to Dreamland to check on our beetroot. We see which one has even germinated, you know. So it's just one way slowly to the land, and this is how you see the rains did He does wrong, man. You saw on the other side there were no big damage, but this side, oh my god, man. It was hitting like Sodom and Gomorrah. Look, even this place is drying out. This guy had planted like tobacco, but oh no, man. It did him wrong. But anyway, let's keep on moving. Let's keep on moving slowly by slowly up to the other end. And this is Bushman's Dude project. It was crazy, very crazy. Look at this guy. This guy has some sunflowers. They were very good, but look how they were affected. All of them, they were affected. Look. It's all these sticks that you see. Look at maize. Incredible, incredible. Everything was washed away. Check on this guy, man. This guy had some pineapples. Oh no, look. He had some good maize. Hey, this rain, man. He had some best cassavas. Nothing gone. Nothing remained. This is one way of telling us to repent a little bit. And our Dreamland is just over there, chilling. Alright, let's go. Yeah, thank God. The road is also very much okay. Right now, I want to open our gate. I don't understand who was here. But, yeah. It's crazy. The hailstorm stopped. Look, there are a lot of hailstones around here, but they have dried up. The kills have started coming out on the other side. So the leaves were affected, but I cannot say they were too much affected, but they were affected. Look, the leaves were affected, so which means I will definitely pluck all these leaves out. I'll pluck these leaves out, all of them, and or I just uproot these kills out and plant new things on this land, you know. And just take them off and plant new things around here, because also over here we can just come and plant maize just like that, because it's not a bad way. But let me check on our beetroot. We had some beetroots around here. I showed you how this was washed away. Everything was washed away. Everything was washed away. But now, coming for a start on this end, this is where our beetroot were. So it's crazy. It's crazy. You know, here you cannot even start picking which one is which. It could be better if they could have come and maybe relaxed one place, but now they were all washed to the river. Now you cannot see which one is which. There were some that have started germinating, like this one over here. We have this one over here. There are some that are very tiny. The most crazy thing is they are very tiny. You cannot trace them that, oh, this one was here, this one was here. We had a very tiny seeds. The beetroots definitely have tiny roots, tiny roots. So something like this, I don't know how I just control this. A lot of water coming. I don't know where this water is coming from. I'm not quite sure where this water is coming from, but you see how it has destroyed my land in between. It has destroyed everything that was around here. All the good soil that was here, soft loamy soil, all went. It penetrated through this point. The water penetrated through this point. All the seeds that we planted went. Look, those are the maize, all the way downwards. The rain effect. But now the problem is our beetroots off. No beetroot is seen. No beetroot is seen. Not even one. You know, so definitely what I'll do, I have to plant maybe strong plants, like maybe fruits, something like that, and we can check on. But we will not give up. We will not give up. That's how life is. And yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching this video till to the end. I really appreciate your love and support. Just a short video showing you how stuffs are. With me, I really gave up. I really gave up. Like, I was not even feeling to come to the land or just do anything regarding land or farming. But my wife really motivated me by her waking up very early and telling me, man, I'm heading to the land. Let me go even do something. So yeah, that's why I woke up and also joined her. And stuffs are going on well. And we give much thanks to Almighty God for the blessing of rain. Cannot complain that much. And that's how life is. So be blessed. And make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if it's a very new time to watch. Show some love. And we keep on supporting each other. Remember, it's the road to 30,000 subscribers. And just through that, that's when everything goes well. Thank you, and bye bye guys. See you on our next video. Peace to you all.